morning, Panther. Hey there, buddy. Hi. Good morning. Yeah, we got some bowls out here. It's a little cold last night. Mom didn't come retrieve them at midnight. I snuck his bowl out the front door. She's on the warm side of the house. Hey, bud. So I've got one light to adjust and the rest are all good, but I will need to walk back down there with the hammer, the nail that I was using to make the hole in the ground, and it's the one farthest on the end over here. It needs to go closer to the tree and point it a little more that way, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Hopefully the canna lilies won't be damaged because I trimmed them when I did. It was 38 here when we got up this morning. Some places locally were closer to freezing. It's supposed to be 70 something today. I'll take it. Sounds good to me. Hi, Gray. Good morning. Hi. You got a drip in the other eye today, just a little drip. Hi. Well, we're out here for our walk before I leave for my normal Tuesday stuff. It does look nicely mowed out here this morning. The birds are chirping, the sun's out, it's not too windy, and it's supposed to be warming up. So I woke up this morning, I put on my glasses and the right, what do you call it, stalk, stem, earpiece fell to the ground. It didn't lose a screw, it actually broke. These are $6 glasses off Amazon, so no crying involved here. I'm sure I've been wearing them for 2 years at least, the same pair. And I tried to find the same pair. I had ordered 2.0s because I probably need them, and I scrapped that because I have to have the computer too close. You know, when you go from 1.5 to 2.0, the focal distance changes. And anyway, I have on a pair of 1.5s, but they're not my nice little half glasses. And anyway, that was a way to start the morning. I can see, but I'm not happy. I'm not normal. Well, I was never normal. That's worrying me a little bit, those leaves starting to open. You might remember last year we were having to cover plants with the shower curtains for over a week, and it frustrated Don. Because he was the one going out late at night and throwing it over there, and going out in the morning and taking them off. Yes, I want you to go out. So I totally get that. We do have a few more shower curtains this year though, so. Well, you guys hold down the fort. Don and I just knocked out that walk pretty quick so that we could get me home and get me back on the road. Just enjoying the hellebores blooms. I was gonna say that it's a nice day for a drive. Ruby's says 59 right now, but I don't know if that's, she's been outside long enough for that to be accurate or not. Yeah, and the forsythia, it's got all the green out now too, but for considering how much shade that gets there, although it'll get more sun this summer because that tree's down, I'm really pleased with how much it flowered this spring. I don't know if I said or not, but I did confirm that the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon 3D printer is coming UPS and is on target for delivery tomorrow. The peripherals, extra filament, extra plates, stuff like that is being shipped separately and is coming FedEx, and I don't have a date for that yet. It's coming from California. The printer itself is coming from Bayonne, New Jersey, which is where my Pop is from. I recognize that name right away. From as in like back in, you know, the 30s. Yeah, the North Carolina Agricultural Extension, they want people to get rid of the Bradford pear trees. I forget why exactly, and they offer them, you know, some other trees to replace them if you have proof that you destroyed one. Yeah, I mean, they don't smell good, but they sure are pretty. I don't like it where they're near power lines and they've been pruned and like half pruned ugly. But I don't know about just taking out all these flowers. I get a lot of enjoyment out of them. So we don't have any in our yard, so it's really not applicable to us. But they're pretty right now. Whether you like them or not, they're out there. Well, this Model X merged over in front of me. Not saying that's a problem. I'm just admiring the nicely cleaned up pretty car. It has a paper plate on it, but it's not new. I guess new to this owner, but not new. Well, there's a Model S coming up on my left here. This is my exit though. Ruby's driving, doing a good job. It's a Pennsylvania plate. Made it here with 4 whole minutes to spare today. I don't see Janice's Camaro though. Although, it's up there on the end. I was going to say, although the other lady that works here can hook me up too. Well, we pulsed my lower back, so all is good. I'm having some left shoulder pain, but the pulse treatment never improves that. I always, if it persists, I'll call in for an adjustment, actual adjustment. But I'm going to give it a couple days and keep on doing left-right neck stretches, and hopefully I can work it out on my own. Maybe pulling weeds yesterday caused it. Dawn had a good chuckle last night. I'm like, I was only out there for an hour. Okay, it's 65 out here now, and it doesn't look super clean over here past the school construction, but I'm going to go with it's not very wet. God, there are regulations, there absolutely are, about construction zones not leaving roads wet and muddy. And they're obviously, I don't know, maybe it's a little wet over here because they actually did try to clean the mud off, but I wouldn't call it clean. Well, I didn't fly through there. Hopefully it's not all slung up on Ruby. It's ridiculous. Well, let's see what's what today. I'm parking down here on the end. Not exactly thrilled, but not upset either. And anyway, I was trying to see if I was good within the lines, and I'm a little left. And then I looked up here, and I am not used to seeing that. That is some new animation that I don't remember seeing before. There are not a lot of Hertz cars here today of any kind, and there is one Model 3. Winter clothing, boots, outerwear, jackets, 40% off. I'm tempted. They're only $1.49 each, but I think they cross over from cute and antique to not. I'm super excited. It's Longaberger and it's $1.39, and it has the cute Easter fabric and the pink weave, and really like that. And this guy is really cute too. It's way too small for me, but it's cute. I would have to have that, but it's a XXX. Little big for us. I brought this Insurrection Captain Jean-Luc Picard Patrick Stewart doll. and a pair of pajama bottoms for Johnny, the red, and a shirt for Dawn, the tan, and that Easter basket. So not a lot, but a few cool things. Okay, Michelle sent me back in to get the Harry Potter Funko Pop game. It's missing the crystals, but the map is unopened and the 2 Funko Pop characters are in there. So it was only $5. They really want to play the game, they can get some other crystals. Yeah, serious, where did all this color come in the parking lot lines? I don't know why it thinks the white line on my left is a double yellow, but, and you can see it even knows the person over there on this side didn't do a good job parking. Sorry, it got blurry there. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, she's way on the line. I swear this is like the nicest day yet. It's not windy, the sun feels warm, I'm dressed right, it's dry, car's clean and pretty today. I'm really enjoying it. I saw the X and I thought it was a Y. It just looks a little different from the side. I don't know if it's the blue paint, the shadows, I don't know. Well, I'm coming down the driveway slowly just in case Gypsy was on the bridge. I don't see him on the bridge or in the front yard. I'm a little sad. There was a southern magnolia there. You see the brown, leathery looking leaves. It's dying and I don't know why. It had been damaged before, but I had cleaned up around it when we were up here last summer, and maybe there's 2 stalks and one's alive and one's dying. I don't know why though. Yeah, I didn't see Gypsy yesterday, and I haven't seen Spot in I guess a week now. I don't know. It weighs on me. Well, we've got the video done, and poor Gray, a couple days ago the right eye was weepy, and today, well, my right, her left. Today it's the other eye, it's her right, my left. Hey baby girl. Hi. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like she just gets weepy eyes every once in a while. Like I said, I talked to the vet about it and she wasn't concerned, so I'm trying not to be. But anyway, we're done with the video. Dawn's still conference calling. It seems early, but it's already 5:50. Dinner's going to be around 7:10. I think I'm going to go show you guys what Lego project I'm going to work on next and start assembling some things, although I'm not really going to get very far tonight. So I'm going to build the Carousel 10257. I do not have the kit. I'm going to build it from scratch. I have ordered the yellow fabric for on top and a couple of the special parts. I want to put it on a Mills plate, and it's not 32 by 32, it's like 38 by 38 or something like that. And after 32, the next size big plate is 48 by 48, which is what this is that I've pieced together. I have that in green. I have a couple of 48 by 48s in, excuse me, gray, but not in green. But I do have the ability to create it, so that's probably what I'm going to do. I thought I was going to use navy blue around the edges because there's a lot of navy blue in the carousel. Either that or this. I think this is medium blue instead of just blue. I have to go look up the official blue color, but I don't have enough of that either. I'm sort of short to go around the outside for the Mills plate on all of it. So I'm going to have to think and maybe punt for tonight. But this is coming reasonably soon. So I took the bricks that I had ordered for the carousel and I organized them here and here. If I had these two bins empty, I'd be filling them up with more organization, but I wasn't quite ready for that. I identified some things I'm missing. I decided to go with the medium blue for the side of the Mills plate where I have the yellow here, because EMS Bricks doesn't have the navy blue, and the medium blue was inexpensive. It will clash with the medium azure, but there's a lot of medium blue on the carousel, so it matches that. So I think it's appropriate. I can deal with it, but I'm gonna have to wait for those bricks to come to build that Mills plate. I'm headed to do gardens with Sam tomorrow, so I'm not going to be working on it anyway.